Hey, it's Matt Leicht, your Sarasota realtor, and today we're at Skye Ranch and I'm going to take you through the Boca Grande floor plan. The Boca Grande is just shy of 2,200 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's got one of the most unique master bedrooms. I can't wait to show it to you. So let's go check it out.
A 2-car garage and stone accents. I'm taking you in the Boca Grande. This open floor plan has 2 living areas, a dining space, and a beautiful kitchen, all flowing together with lots of windows. The kitchen has level 5 cabinets and level 4 countertops. Down the hall of the first floor is a half bath and laundry room. Make your way upstairs into a unique flex space with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Upstairs is where you'll enter the master bedroom, a private oasis and a one-of-a-kind space. Off the upstairs flex space, there are 3 more bedrooms and an additional bathroom. Step outside to find this $47,000 pool upgrade. Just outside the pool is the perfect spot for a fire pit, all overlooking a lot on the lake.
I'm taking a stroll down Model Row to show you that this model is one of many different floor plans that you can build from the ground up right here in Skye Ranch. If you want to tour these models with me, go ahead and view this playlist right here. Or if you want the info on all the pricing and floor plan options, go ahead and click the link in the video description below and I'll get that right over to you. And finally, if you don't want to miss a thing in regards to things to do in Sarasota and more property tours, just subscribe.